Hello, my name is Luke and I am 8 years old and I have decided to start a channel called Luke Explorations and Play. I hope you enjoy it. Hello, and today we're going to do a really fun and exciting science experiment with tin foil and these pennies here. So first we're going to make the boat out of tin foil, and then we're going to put it in the water, and then we're going to see how many pennies can go on the boat without it sinking. So now we are going to build the tin foil boat. So first we fold it over as much as you can. And then we do this to the sides. And that's our boat finished. I'm going to put the tin foil and boat in, and Mummy told me that I put them round the corner so that they won't sink. So we've got the first penny, one, then another penny on this corner, 3, 4, and then we're going to put some, it's like decorating. $44. I'm trying to beat our goal of 52. 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, we beat our score. 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. 61, all the pennies are gone. So that means this tin foil boat is so strong that it could hold up 61 pence, aka 61 pennies. So we've put 61 pennies in here, and now we're going to take the boat into a ride to see if it is unsinkable. Backwards and forwards. Making the pennies go around a little bit. Some of the water is getting in. When I hit it to the sides, makes the water go up more, and then it's letting it come in. Maybe it can go by itself. No, it can't go by itself. Thank you for watching our really fun science experiment. Bye!